Good afternoon, Parkland family and friends.
Hi, Parkland.
It's Beth and Jason with this week's edition of the Bulletin. So, Jason, Sunday was another phenomenal day. They're just getting better. More people in the choir, I thought.
Yes, it's more people are starting to come back. More people in the congregation.
Yes,
and
yes.
so it's just been neat. Lots of visitors. We had
Oh,
lots
like
of
maybe
visitors. on
5
Sunday.
families. That's
And from the Harvest Festival. That
Oh, were
came.
they? Okay,
There was a
good.
family from the Harvest
Good,
Festival.
good. And the families were not related. They didn't come from for the same reason or from the same
No.
place. So 5 different groups of people came to worship with us Sunday, and they all went to Bible study.
Yes.
They all went to Sunday school. That's very rare.
But that's great.
Yes,
And
yes.
another reason that we again continue to need greeters
Right.
for
Please let me know if you can be a greeter. Okay, I sure would like your help.
because we are getting lots of guests. And
We
so
are.
this is a very, very
We
crucial,
are.
vital ministry.
Yes. All right. So I think the next thing that's coming up is the community meals are back in person. Suzanne said the one in October went phenomenal.
Yes, and I think our folks have been appreciating that.
Yes, and so this one's back. The next one is November 18th, which is just next week.
Yeah. I
And
think they're looking for dish detergent
Yes,
this time,
yes.
and so
we are not sure whose Sunday school class is helping. I'm not,
No,
are you, Jay?
I-
So if it's you, you show up, and if you just want to come, I'm sure they'd love to have the help. So that
Absolutely.
is on the 18th.
and it's a great ministry again to reach out to our folks in our community.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, then
It's all you.
That's right. Our next student Friday night is November 19th. So if you have people in your life that are between 6th grade and 12th grade, have them come over to church that night between 7 and 9. And this one, the theme is going to be a Charlie Brown Thanksgiving.
Oh, that'll be fun.
Yes, yes, and I have heard a few things. These are planned by different. Actually, the RD groups are planning them this time.
Oh, that's a neat idea.
Yes, so I've heard a few things about this one, and I think it's going to be super fun. So tell the people in your life that fit into that age group that this is the night they need to come.
That'll be a whole lot of fun.
It
And
will.
I guess this next thing's yours too.
Yeah, Sunday the 21st, 2 days later, is our huge third church free Thanksgiving youth sponsored lunch. So you come and join us. This is also the Sunday we're inviting our Who's Your One person to come. And so invite them to come to worship and stay after for lunch. This meal is based on donations, so we'll take whatever you can give us. Traditional Thanksgiving lunch, and Pastor Eduardo and his church are bringing their pig
Oh, yum.
and all the stuff that goes with it.
Yum. I can't wait. The black beans and the rice and the yuca.
That's it.
Oh,
That's
my
it.
heavens.
It's all
gonna
good.
be great.
So yes, come join us for Thanksgiving lunch, and we'll have a good time together.
I think we're going to do 4 smoked turkeys
Yes.
for you.
Yes,
So,
and for those of you that it matters, we're going to put them on different plates, so you'll
Yeah.
know if you're eating a smoked turkey or a regular turkey.
Right.
So yeah. Okay, let's see what's next. Here we go. This one's you.
so Christmas is coming. We are in the midst of Christmas rehearsals for our Christmas musical. We have rehearsal on Wednesday nights at 7 o'clock in the choir room on the lower level. And then this coming Sunday, November the 14th, we'll be at 4:30 in the sanctuary. Our bonus rehearsal, we'll try to keep stuff on Sundays because of childcare. If you want to sing, it's not too late, but it's almost too late. So come on Wednesday night or Sunday night, and we'll get you the book. It's going to be beautiful. We're singing Christmas carols, so it's familiar stuff that you
Take
will
a
know.
deep breath. Don't
Yeah.
be afraid, and come sing with the choir.
Yeah,
Is that right?
and they're all beautiful arrangements.
Yes. Yes.
I always say this is my favorite song. This is my favorite song, but they're all really good this year. And we're also preparing for our next slide, which is Parkland Family Christmas, which is the Sunday after Thanksgiving.
Yes. It's
So,
busy,
yeah.
busy. Get your calendar out and write all this down.
These things start to stack up.
Yes. So
But
this is decorate the tree night.
Yes.
Okay.
So you have to bring your family ornament.
Yes, and then we're going to add something to this. We're having a cookie potluck.
Yes.
Which means after this, we're all going to bring cookies, go to the gym, I guess, and we're going to share our cookies. And so Suzanne's going to fix the drinks, the hot chocolate, and the tea, and the lemonade, and we're just going to sit around eat each other's cookies all night. So it's a cookie potluck.
And I think Pastor Chris said yesterday, even if your favorite Christmas cookie is the Little Debbie Christmas trees.
Yes, bring them.
Bring them.
Bring 'em, yes.
So this is going to be a great night of
It'll be fun.
fellowship.
It'll be
It's
fun.
always I've only really experienced one of these because
Okay.
we didn't get to have it last year.
That's true.
So the one that we had in 2019 was awesome. It was Christmas carols. We talked about the decorations in the sanctuary. Then we all decorated the tree,
Yes.
and so it'll be a very, very, very fun evening.
What's your favorite cookie?
My favorite cookie? Store bought, I think, like if you get the big tray at Sam's,
Yes.
my favorite is the oatmeal raisin and then
Okay.
the white chocolate macadamia.
Yes, mine too. Homemade, I like those. I think they're called wedding cookies. They're those little cookies and they're covered in powdered sugar. And
Yes. Pecans.
yes,
and-
yes. So if you all want to make some cookies for Jason and I, we put in our request.
Yeah.
So, all right, let's see what's next.
And then the next Saturday.
Yes, is birthday party for
Yes.
Jesus. Invite your friends that are children.
Yes, it's for kids birth through 5th grade. We've got games, we've got crafts, we've got cookie decorating, we're going to do pictures, inflatable. It's just going to be a fun birthday party.
Inside, it's inside.
It's all in the gym. It's from 11 to 1, so you kind of miss, it's not too early in the morning and it's before nap time in the afternoon. So come out, have a great time. We'll have birthday cake and this used to be the angel breakfast.
Yes.
And in 2019, that seems like
It does.
eons ago.
Yes, it does.
But 2019, it was a huge success. We had 125 people here, and we're expecting a few more this year.
There'll be a picture backdrop, I understand,
Yes.
so you can take pictures of with your family.
Mhm.
And yeah,
It's going to be a fun day. And if you would like to help with that, please see myself or Bev Pierce or Rhonda Grider or Todd Beasley. Any one of us can get your name on the list to help.
So I think like beginning Thursday the 18th through Christmas Eve, we're like booked solid.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
I mean, there's something all the time. All
Yes.
the time.
all right, Jason, I think we
Wow.
got it covered.
Well, I
So-
mean, that's a lot of dates that we can get
It
everybody
is, it
tonight.
is.
Lots of
So,
dates and times.
You might want to write them down because if you're like me, you get them all confused. So
Make sure you get a copy of the bulletin each
yes,
week. All this
yes.
is in the bulletin.
And there should be a December newsletter that has this stuff in it as well.
Yeah,
So-
I asked Lisa about that because next week and then the next week's Thanksgiving, so
Yeah.
to get it out, so we'll have to do our newsletter article.
Next week,
and I told
yeah.
Lisa, I said, I just did my newsletter article like last week, so,
Right.
so it's always time
again.
for
Time
newsletter.
again. All right, guys, we'll see you Sunday. And remember, put Jesus first
First in your life and invite someone to church.
Yes, especially Thanksgiving morning.
Yes.
Okay. See you. Bye, guys.
See y'all next week.